Catching up is lane number 9.
Go up! Let's go, Gina!
Don't forget to breathe, athletes. You're halfway there.
Hey! Una! Hinga! Hinga!
Here catching lane number 7. Now down to the last set of pull-ups.
Go! Easy!
Once again, this is brought to you by Core. Choose good, choose Core.
Gina, bisa-bisa!
As the clock moms, it's now down to the last set of people with your shoulders. We go, lane number 8 and lane number 9. Leading back to back on the last set.